What's going on, my beautiful people? This is Rio with London Credit Repair LLC. Once again, I just wanted to come to you guys and just show you some good proof here because I know people like to actually see things. So, I do have a client here who just recently had a 49-point increase. Just so you know, letters for this particular client went out on the 19th of May. It was received on the 23rd, so about 8 or 9 days later, they had an update. So I can show you here May 26th, where it was a 1 point drop, and we have a 542 for the credit score. This was May 26th, and just roughly a week later, we had an account removed from Credit One Bank, and this account being removed increased the client's credit score by 49 points, right? You see that at the top for June 2nd. So we go back down to this May 26th, it was at 542. And just in about a week, the account had a significant increase of 49 points. There were more things that were disputed, but I mean, it's a game that they like to play, so we got to keep playing it. But at the end of the day, there's a 49-point gain off of one count being removed here from Credit One Bank. This is London Credit Repair LLC. I'm signing out. If you know you need your credit done, go ahead and let me know and we can get you situated.